Every successful business, whether a startup, SME, or multinational, rests on a clear blueprint of how it creates, delivers, and captures value. One of the most effective tools to visualize this blueprint is the business model canvas, introduced by Alexander Osterwalder. The canvas is built around 9 interconnected building blocks that together provide a holistic view of a business model, starting from identifying customer segments and defining value propositions, to establishing channels, customer relationships, and revenue streams, and extending further into key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and the overall cost structure. Let's unboxing Teega business models step by step.
Our core success is we really know who is our customer. We have the idea to develop this brand because to address the current lifestyles of people in Malaysia. One of it is we can see that a lot of parents, both of husband and wife, are working, so they don't have enough time to prepare a meal for their family. Another one is a lot of people in Malaysia love to eat snack and dessert. So we want to address this kind of problem. What we do, we produce a lot of product that can suit various of ages in one family. So I can break it down to 3 important points. The first is about the product taste. When we are doing the R&D, we have to make sure the product is very suit with Malaysianized taste. This is the number 1. The number 2 is about the packaging. We have to make sure the packaging can catch the eyes of our customer, then it can speak by themselves. Number 3 is about the price. We will make sure our product is affordable to all Malaysians so they can enjoy the good food with the good packaging and good price. Furthermore, we support our product with required certification for F&B market such as halal and also mesti. In addition, we use a lot of technology in manufacturing our product such as retort machine to ensure our product can sustain up to 2 years in the market. Teega proudly present our customer brand voice. 1. Keluarga suka.
For social media, we use 3 main platforms to promote our brand. The first one will be the TikTok. This is our page, and this is all the content that we post in TikTok. The second one will be Facebook. This is our page, Teega HQ, and the same goes to Facebook. We also update our social media on daily basis. And the third one is our Instagram. This is how we engage with our end user and update them with our latest promotion, also latest product in Teega. Digital platform is very useful and powerful tools that we use on daily basis in Teega. One of the example is for our resellers, we use a WhatsApp group and also Telegram channel. For our reseller, we use a WhatsApp group and also Telegram channel in order for them to communicate and engage with them. On daily basis, we're going to share with them the latest update about Teega, the latest campaign, promotion, and also marketing material. Considering the reseller also is our internal customer, so what we did to maintain the relationship with them and to engage with them. The first one, we have our own communication channel using WhatsApp and also Telegram channel. And on daily basis, we're gonna share with them all the tips, how to do the marketing, how to do sales. On top of that, we also engage and maintain our relationship and engagement with our end user customer, the people who buy Teega's product. And on monthly basis, we have a lot of activities involved all our customer. And for example, the first one, on monthly basis, we also have a lucky draw for that. The second one, we also gonna give them a free delivery and also free product for them if they purchase our product in Teega. What is reseller program? In Teega, we have about 3,000 active reseller, and they join Teega to sell our product, and they also gonna gain income from that.
This is our baking process. You can see here, we have a multiple QC system. Firstly, we can QC while the oven already baked. We will QC the shaping for each one. Each cookies, we will confirm the shape okay and approve our quality assurance. Here we'll be QC the weight for the each pouch. As we can see here, each pouch will be weight around 100 gram.
In developing the product, we normally will have the R&D stages. The R&D stages will start with we try our own recipe, and then we test it to our repeat customer to ask for their opinion, and then we're going to modify the recipe based on their response in order to make sure we can produce a very good product that can suit well with the market. In our business, we have a variety of costs. The first one is operation expenditure, which is comprises of manpower costs, machinery costs, maintenance costs. We also have the marketing costs, a cost to produce our product, which is we call it as a COGS. We have the distribution costs. We also have a cost to maintain our branding.
Now let's fill all the 9 blocks of BMC base on the video. Click link in bio now.